Maskin Mekano is a producer of mobile screening plants and mobile crushing plants. Our biggest market is here in Sweden, but we have resellers in the Benelux area and Germany.
The Shakeproof app is mainly used in heavy industry to help standardize procedures, improve quality control and extend the life of the equipment being sold. We see them as partners. We developed the product together with them.
I saw the benefits that would probably give us. Before we used, like, you get a piece of paper and you check off oh, I've done this and this and this, and then the paper was replaced and you didn't file it properly. I saw that CheckProof could help us in a way that we raise the quality. It's pretty easy to build up, like a checklist. It was very easy to train our staff to get CheckProof up and running. CheckProof is a help to ensure us that we follow the same procedure every time we build a machine. Being able to customize our checklist is very good for us because every machine can be slightly different. So being able to pretty easy go in and just tweak the checklist for just to fit that type of machine was pretty important to us. That it's able to do pretty quickly, doesn't take a lot of time. So every checklist can be as precise as it needs to be.
I think that the app creates an opportunity for me as an assembler and my colleagues to do the checks methodically so that they are sort of the same but still tailored to each and every machine that we do. The main benefits of using CheckProof as an app for me and for the guys on the assembly floor is definitely the quality assurance that it creates when you get that double check and you need to go back and see that you've actually tightened all of the bolts, that you've checked all of the torque settings, that you've put the labels in the right angle. It's a tool that's easy to use to assure the quality of the product produced.
So when clients call and say we've done something wrong, we can go back and say no, we didn't, we've done it by the book. The customers benefit, it's so much easier, it's so much faster for me now. I just click on to CheckProof and I get the pictures instantly. The customers aren't happy with me running around looking for papers, so the service is so much faster now with CheckProof.
Every time we sell a machine, we always go out and meet the customers and start up the machine, and then we use CheckProof as a operating manual. So we have a checklist there as well with pictures and so on. What we're looking into the future, we're looking at actually offer it to our customers to help them with the maintenance of the machine. We educate the person that's gonna use the machine, and then we use CheckProof as well. It falls back to us as a positive way why you should buy our machine, because they have high quality.